I'm free from... No, I'm not free from Mudland, actually. There's more. It's a big old lake of diarrhea. No, it isn't.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
No.
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info pod. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed.
He died.
An agent without a client is like a flea without a dog.
What?
Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship
Ding.
prize from the hoverboard races in Backwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarx.
Skid marks. It's very clever. Bring the prize from the hoverboard races. How is that supposed to mean? What hoverboard races? I thought I was getting a free hoverboard. Was I not paying attention again? Is this the hoverboard race? No, I just got drilled into the floor. It's nice down here. I'm a futuristic mole. You still haven't got anything. You're just having a nap as well. Lazy days. I never went that way either. Destroy the sand sharks, I already did. All of them. Oh, what 50 bloody flower! Okay, it's not just wave after wave. I thought I was going to be here forever. Oi! Spawny McSpawnerson. Does this die? No. I didn't blow myself up. It's quite amazing. I look forward to the days when our explosions know how to tell the difference between again between stuff. Well, as long as you're not eating chocolate, then it's okay. It shouldn't ruin your image of the food. Warg! That was easy. Except I got hit, so shut up. Money in the bushes. There's a lot of them and I'm about to die, so I should be skill. It's alright. It was all part of my plan. It was to make people worried. No! Oh, flublub! Do I have to start them all over again? Bollocks! It's because he has a slow recovery time after that third swing. Oh well, more money. It's nice. A game where dying doesn't actually feel too bad. Because it means you get more money. Which probably won't be too necessary in the long run. But it makes it feel like you're gaining something. Ah. Get out of the way. And this is still so early in the game. If I've died already, does this bode well? No. Not at bloody all. Hang on. No, hang on, I said. Good. Making sure I started my timer. Om nom 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 nom. No! No! Oh! Bloody... Really? Oh, I'm still alive. Right, I need to be careful. There's some health up there. I reckon I'm gonna go for it. Don't fall in the mud. Don't get eaten. You know what might be good actually? Not dying! Oh, what? I landed on one of them while it was... Oh. This is gonna be good, because this is why. Yeah. Death. Should have been doing this from the start. Oh yeah. Speaking of BFG, it'll be a good time for that quote. When in doubt, BFG the effer. It's a kids show, so I can't say it. But in this case, we haven't got a BFG, so when I'm in doubt, burn the effer. I'm gonna go up here. There are more. And there's also health. Wish I'd known that, because I would have lived. Do you even spit anything out? What's the point? Oh, hi. I guess you would have if there weren't already some in here. Yeah. I haven't even taken a hit yet. So if you ever play this game and had trouble with this part, now you know what to do. You've learned by something Moses. As an osmosis, but not. Trying to eat me? Well, no. Not today. No, you don't need the money. Stop. There's just too much of it. Where did that come from? Right. There's even more too much of it now. Ow. That one doesn't count as a hit though. See, because it never happened. So where's the last one? Why does this happen in games? There's always one. Yo, I heard that. Ponk. No, it was gonna drop money. Oh.
Here, man, catch.
This is gonna be
Brand
fun.
new C3000. You can't even buy these. Well, I got a thing. Gets you due to the hoverboard race.
You might do.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron
I know.
Z3000 hoverboard.
I was watching.
Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Planet Rilgo.
Oh, can I not just ride it whenever? Well, poop. I was looking forward to it. But where am I now? Oh. So in the cutscene, I ran all the way over there, and then after it I ran all the way back, and I didn't even have to do it myself. This game just gets better and better. Thanks, convenient machine that isn't made for this. You still haven't got anything,
Hi there, Fuzzball.
but since I've got so much money... Don't call me Fuzzball, because I'm not. I need to get back to there. There it is. Oof. Mini nuke. Fallout 3 stole the mini nuke from this game.
If you want to impress this agent,
Oh.
you'll have to win a hoverboard race. The nearest hoverboard race is in Blackwater City on planet Rio.
Blackwater? Where have I heard that before? Probably from one of many RPGs. I don't think we found that place yet though, so I guess we can't race. Get in! God. No, I don't think it's that. I don't know where these golden bolts are. Oh, it gives you like a checklist of things to do there.